my Elite fam, welcome back to the channel. I just got a pair of jeans in the mail from FLVSUN, and I am going to try them on, show you all the details on them, and I am going to give you my honest review. So let's go ahead and get into these jeans. First off, the fit. Chef's kiss. They hug in all the right places but still give me room to move. No stiff denim over here. The material feels super high quality, not too thick, not too thin. And look at the stitching on here. Nice, clean stitching. And guys, you know I had to put the stretch to the test. And they passed. Sit down, easy. And I had to go here and, you know, do a 1-2 step, make sure I be able to move around, do a little dance. You guys, FLVSUN did their thing with these jeans. Definitely a new fave in my rotation. Have you guys ever tried these jeans before? Let me know, drop a comment below. So if you see me wearing these jeans on repeat, mind your business. Shout out to FLV for sending these jeans over. They are officially in the lineup for my wardrobe. And if you're looking for flattering, comfy denim, these are definitely worth a try. And guys, you know I got you. So make sure you check out the description box below for a link and a discount code when you want to place your order. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will check you in the next review. All right, bye.